So you want to set and achieve your goals, right? And you know that having a clear vision of what you want to accomplish is extremely crucial. A vision, which is a vivid and inspiring picture of what you want to achieve, also serves as a guiding light for our actions. One of the key benefits of having vision is that it helps us stay motivated. When we can see the end goal in our minds, it becomes much easier to stay focused and committed to achieving it, even when faced with challenges, obstacles, hurdles, etc. Another key benefit is that it helps us set specific and measurable goals. And if you haven't seen my video on SMART goals, I recommend that you do so. When we have a clear vision of what we want to achieve and we break it down to more actionable steps, it becomes much easier to accomplish those set goals that we've created for ourselves. And this makes it much easier to track our progress and to stay on course. Lastly, having vision helps us stay aligned with our values and our priorities. When we have a clear vision of what we want to achieve, it becomes much easier to make decisions that align with our values and our priorities. To recap, having a clear vision is essential for setting and achieving your goals. It helps keeps us motivated, focused. It helps us set specific and measurable goals, and then it helps us align with our values and our priorities. So take time to think about what you really want to achieve so that you can create a vivid vision for your life and start setting and accomplishing your goals today. So with that said, if you found anything in this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing so you don't miss out on future content. It also helps with the algorithm so it reaches out to other people who are interested in these types of videos as well. But as always, I want to thank you for being here because you could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me and I appreciate that. Until next time,